All right. Okay. So the topic which we are going to discuss today is basically just words. We use them the whole day, you know, सारा दिन हम words use करते हैं for everything. When we talk to our friends, family, children, in our work, everywhere, हम words बहुत use करते हैं. So there's nothing new, especially all of you are teachers, most of you. I don't have to teach you, you know, the power of speech. हमें कितना power चाहिए for our speech. Okay. So since childhood, I have been hearing a song. उसकी एक line starting की बस मैं, I will not sing. I can't sing. I will just tell you. It's just it's words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. So have you all heard this song? Just raise your hands if you have. It's only words, and words is all I have to take your heart away. So this is a beautiful song by Bee Gees. आप सुन सकते हैं YouTube पे बाद में. It's a lovely song. This means कि words जो आप use करते हो, you can either take somebody's heart or break somebody's heart or do whatever in the world with your words. Okay? So the words are very, very powerful जो हम use करते हैं. ठीक है ना? तो बहुत छोटी सी बात है. I'm going to just talk about one book. I will just share the screen and give you the details of the book. मैं उसका सिर्फ आपको cover page दिखाना चाह रही हूँ. Can you see this book in my hand? It's called The Four Agreements. I will just share the screen and try and show you. Is it there somewhere? Yeah, it is here somewhere. I'm trying to share the screen and show you the cover of the book. Okay, here it is. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is the cover of the book. The book's name is The Four Agreements. It has been written by the author's name is Don Miguel. It's a beautiful book, very small book, which you can read in just 4 lines, and say 1 or 2 hours. 4 main lines, 4 main agreements. अब हमें क्या करना है? हमें अपने सारे पहले के जो limiting beliefs हैं, उनको छोड़ना है. We have to leave whatever we have learned while growing up to understand new age rules आते हैं. We can't keep following the same rules. अभी हम डायरी भी डिजाइन कर रहे हैं. So we have to change a few rules here and there to fit into the new situation. Now यहाँ पर हमारे कौन से rules बनेंगे? आप नीचे आइए contents में. Agreement 1. I'm talking about this agreement. It is be impeccable with your words. Now, what does the word impeccable mean? You all have your phones in your hand. फटाफट से उसका meaning ढूंढो.
Flawless, ma'am.
Impeccable means जिस situation में जो word use करना है, ये सोचते हुए कि उस word का impact दूसरे के ऊपर कितना पड़ सकता है. A small child of nursery who tries to sing, maybe. Shalu, I'm talking to you people, all the nursery teachers here.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
a small child who's just attempting to sing or maybe attempting to dance. And if one of us comments, oh, he'll never be able to dance. Believe me, he will never be able to dance.
Very true, ma'am.
So we have to be very, very careful about the words we use in which situation. Okay, especially with your children at home. अब आपके बच्चे हैं, अब सबके सामने हम कई बार ऐसे बोल जाते हैं, ये तो ऐसा ही है, ये तो ये कर ही नहीं सकता. Okay, so believe me, the age group from 1 to 7, that is the time you have to be very careful. At that age, उस एज में अगर आपने कह दिया किसी को कि ये तो अंदर आ ही नहीं, ये तो कर ही नहीं सकता ये काम, वो बच्चा कभी भी करेगा भी नहीं. Okay, that child will never do it. So you have to be very careful there for the kind of words you use in front of children. Children ho, bade ho, kuch bhi ho. So you have to be very, for example, a workplace में भी seniority भी आती है, juniors भी होते हैं. वहाँ पे भी we have to be very careful how we, convey what we want to say. So that is what it means by being impeccable with your words. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Don't take anything personally. नॉर्मली हम क्या करते हैं, किसी ने कुछ अगर कह दिया, सो हम अपने ही सेल्फ गिल्ट में इतना चले जाते हैं, हाँ मैं तो ऐसी ही हूँ, मुझे तो तुम लोग कुछ भी कह लेते हो. At home, you know, at home we generally say that. We are always so, what do you say? We become very, very defensive. I think it has gone. Can you people see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. The screen sharing is paused. I don't know why. Anyway, you can just see my face then. So the second agreement was that, what was it? What did I say?
Don't take it personally.
We should not take anything anybody has ever said to you. Please don't take it so personally. Okay. I think it has stopped the screen. No, it's here. Don't take anything personally. If somebody has mentioned something, किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया. So this book, Don Miguel says that if you take things personally, you will just go on drowning yourself in guilt, and slowly, slowly आपका confidence zero ही होता चला जाएगा. Because आपको लगता रहेगा कि जिसने मेरे को ये कुछ कह दिया है, तो मेरे अंदर ही कुछ कमी है. I'll never be able to do it. Okay? So we are not supposed to take, जैसे किसी ने मजाक में भी कह दिया, you're so stupid. अगर हम उसने पर्सनली ले लिया, तो हमारे अंदर वही रहेगा कि हाँ, maybe I am stupid. I should take care. मैं बहुत ही stupid हूँ. Okay, तो इससे क्या होगा? We have agreed with what that person has said. है ना? तो हम उसके साथ agree कर गए. तो जब हमने agree कर लिया, तो हम उसको assume भी कर लेंगे और उसको हम believe कर लेंगे, and we'll make it a point that we remain stupid. You know? Are you getting my point? Suppose किसी ने कह दिया तुम तो बहुत मोटे हो गए हो. हाँ, आपको देखा और कह दिया you put on so much of weight you put on. Right? अगर आपने नहीं भी किया, आपको वो bother कर भी नहीं रहा था weight, but just because that person has said it, you are going to feel so depressed कि oh my god, मेरा तो weight ही बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. You know, you will start believing it so much कि आप अपने ही belief में जाते रहेंगे. आपको लगेगा मैं तो बहुत ही मोटी लगती. तो हमने कुछ भी personally लेना ही नहीं. Okay? कोई हमें कुछ भी कहे, we are not going to take anything to our heart. चाहे वो हस्बैंड ने कह दिया, बच्चों ने कह दिया, कॉलीग्स ने कह दिया, सीनियर्स ने भी कह दिया, तो भी हमने अपना कॉन्फिडेंस को कम नहीं करना है बाय थिंकिंग कि यार ये जो कहा है मुझे वही है. हाँ ठीक है, यू कैन इंट्रोस्पेक्ट ऑल राइट. अगर कोई एक बहुत हेल्दी वे में आपको कुछ बता रहा है कि यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ बाय डूइंग दिस, या तो वो आपको कुछ सोल्यूशन बता रहा है, या तो वो आपको कुछ गिविंग यू सम काइंड ऑफ अ गाइडलाइन फॉर इट. For example, if your health is not good and somebody tells you ki no you must go for a walk daily, so that's in a suggestive way. That's not saying अरे तुम walk नहीं करते, you know, तो making you feel so small कि तुम तो पता नहीं क्या ही कर रहे हो if you're not you know, if you're not walking, तो फिर आप बहुत ही गलत काम कर रहे हो जैसे. So we are not going to take anything personally. All right? So it's such a simple book. These are such simple things. When you'll sit down to read, you will realize yourself. इतनी simplicity से ये book बनाई गई है. और अगर हमने ये 4 rules follow कर लिया, हम लोग बहुत rules follow करते हैं ना. Remember those 5 fingers I told you we follow all the rules when we are a baby soul? Do you remember? Society rules, rules from family.
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, we follow all those rules. हमने बहुत rules follow कर लिए सबके. Now it is high time we started following our own rules also. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going
Totally
to,
agree.
yeah, now we are going to make rules for ourselves जिससे हमारी अपनी personality better हो, हमारे हम खुश हों at least. ठीक है? और कुछ नहीं, all said and done, we want to just be happy now. So हम अपनी happiness के लिए अपने new rules, simple rules follow करेंगे. तो हम किसी की भी बात personally नहीं लेंगे. हमसे बड़े किसी ने कुछ कह भी दिया, family relations में किसी ने कह दिया, so we are not going to take it personally. Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I
Remember
go?
that God given us 2 ears, when to listen and when to let it go.
Yeah, definitely. See, all these dialogues we have learned a lot, Shalu. कि 2 कान हैं, पर हम ये कर नहीं पाते. We ponder a lot on what we hear. जो हमें कोई कह देता है, हम उसके ऊपर अपनी बहुत एनर्जी, जितनी आज आपने एनर्जी ली है अंदर मेडिटेशन से, उसमें से आधी एनर्जी हम इन्हीं चीजों में वेस्ट कर देते हैं. मैंने इतने प्यार से खाना बनाया, किसी ने अप्रिशिएट ही नहीं किया, किसी ने कॉम्प्लीमेंट ही नहीं किया, है ना? सो हमारी एनर्जी वही डिप्रेशन. अगर मैं सुबह से लगी हुई हूँ, आई एम मेकिंग समथिंग फॉर चिल्ड्रन and they just come and say we are not eating at home, we are going out. मैं बैठ के ब्रूड करूं कि मैंने इतने प्यार से बनाया था, ये वो किसी ने देखा भी नहीं, खाया भी नहीं, जिसने खाया उसने अप्रिशिएट नहीं किया, तो हम अपनी ही एनर्जी को सारी वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट अफेक्टिंग एनीबडी एल्स. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
you got my
Yes, ma'am.
point? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is, we are not going to take anything personally. अगर मैंने बनाया है, मैंने अपनी खुशी के लिए बनाया है, because I was happy making it. Okay, and not
Yes,
because not because I was looking for validation from my family. So अगर आप वो expectation खत्म कर देंगे, you will be absolutely fine. You did it because you wanted to do it. Shall I go ahead to the next one now? Because then we'll have
Yes, ma'am.
time for discussion, you know. So now don't make assumptions. Assumptions. हम क्या करते हैं? पहले से हम सोच के ही बैठ जाते हैं कि so and so तो मुझे प्यार ही नहीं करता. जितना सैडनेस और ड्रामा हम खुद क्रिएट कर लेते हैं ना अपने लिए, कई बार किसी को पता भी नहीं होता है. For example, suppose my children came late and they went up to their rooms without saying good night to me. I'm going to assume they don't bother about me. They don't need me anymore. उन्होंने तो आके मुझे देखो गुड नाइट भी नहीं बोला. For all you know, maybe they were thinking कि I have gone to sleep, तो वो डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे मुझे. लेकिन मैं उस assumption में बैठ के बैठी रहूंगी कि they don't love me. So I'm creating that drama myself. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for example,
ma'am.
suppose you've gone into a mall. ठीक है, वहां पे आपने कोई person देखा. ठीक है, that person looked at you and just gave you a smile. अब उस स्माइल से आपने पूरी स्टोरी बना लेनी अपने सर के अंदर. You're going to assume so much. You're going to create that fantasy. आप अपनी fantasy में, I'm talking to these young ones who are not married, is if there anyone over here, अपने fantasies में आपने पता नहीं क्या क्या stories बना ली. Maybe that person likes me. Maybe we can get into a relationship. Maybe that I can get married to this person. ये आप अपने दिमाग में ही सोचते जा रहे हो. ये हो नहीं रहा है. Nothing is happening. Okay. Now what happens?
Yes,
Then you come to know one fine day, oh, अच्छा, this person को, whom you thought was liking you, you thought उसने कुछ नहीं कहा आपको. Maybe that person was not actually smiling at you. He was smiling at somebody else. आपने कहानी बना ली अपने सर में, and then you're going to be disappointed. तो ये assume किसने किया? We assumed it. Now the people who are married, I'm talking to you. Suppose some of us married the person of our own choice, or maybe a person our family chose for us. We had different dreams in our mind about marriage. Obviously, that person also had different dreams. Now he cannot dream your dreams. Suppose your husband comes home, वो अपने ऑफिस के किसी बात से नाराज हैं, and you put fresh flowers और आपने अपना पूरा टेबल ले किया हुआ है, and you wearing some new dress or something. You are expecting he should come and look at you and compliment you and be very happy कि आपने इतना अच्छा arrangement किया. But he was very upset about some work in office. उनका ध्यान नहीं गया आपकी तरफ. तो किसने assume कर लिया कि ये तो bother ही नहीं करते मेरे लिए. He's not interested in me.
मैं हमने.
The wife has assumed this. उन बेचारों ने तो कुछ बोला भी नहीं.
Yes.
तो ये assumption किसने की?
Wife.
तो हम अपने assumptions खुद बना लेते हैं, and we make them so fast and unconsciously. ठीक है ना? क्योंकि हमने अपने दिमाग में ये कहानियां बना ली, and then we get disappointed when the things don't happen the way we want. Okay, so these kind of examples are there in this book. So don't make any assumptions. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is actually, this is a path to personal freedom. If you're dressing up, dress up for yourself. if you're making food, make it for your satisfaction. Whatever you're doing, do it for your happiness, na? Remember the 4 wheels I told you? First wheel is yourself. तो आपको अच्छे लग रहे हो आप, if you're dressed up and you're looking nice and you think you're looking nice, so just be happy with that, na? Why do you want people to come and first compliment you? और जिसने नहीं किया ये तो अपने आप, either you will assume कि that person doesn't like you, or you will say, oh, this person is jealous of me. ये सारी assumptions कौन बना रहा है?
We are making.
We are making them. This is the overview of the entire book. This is what I was talking about. Be impeccable with your words. Okay? जिसको हमने बहुत carefully choose करने हैं words जब हम जोर से बोलते हैं, हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? How is the other person going to feel with the words we use? Don't take anything personally, I told you. ठीक है ना? हम अपने आप को खुद ही hurt करते रहते हैं. Okay? Suppose हम चीजों को personally ना लें, तो हमें गुस्सा भी नहीं आएगा. We won't be jealous. We won't be sad also. Don't make assumptions. I've already told you. We are not going to make any assumptions. Okay? अपने आप से हम misunderstandings create करते हैं, drama create करते हैं, and then we get sad. Now we come to the last one. Always do your best. Now here, when I say, what the hell, where is it going? Just hold on. Always do your best. That means हम जो भी करते हैं, whatever we do in life, school में करते हैं या घर में करते हैं, always do your best does not mean that what you have done has to be the best in the world. It is your best. I cannot cook very well. But when I'm cooking, am I doing it to the best of my potential? Is my whole attention there? Or is my mind elsewhere? Or am I thinking about school ki kal jana hai, meri ye meeting hai, mujhe wo parent ki interview karni hai, mujhe ye kaam karna hai, mujhe wo bhejna hai. ये सोचते हुए अगर मैं खाना बनाऊंगी तो 200% the food is not going to be good. So when you're making food, be 100% in that. Your 100%. I don't mean that you have to be the best chef in the world to make food. Okay? For example, if I'm taking part in anything, हम function करते हैं school में, we have to do our best. अब वो जो facilities available हैं, infrastructure है, अगर हम उसी पे crib करते रहेंगे, हम अपना potential भी कम कर देंगे. So whatever we have been given, whatever situation it is, whatever infrastructure we have, उसी से हमने best बनाना है ना. So what we can do best individually, which can be different in different situations. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जो हमारी situation है, उसमें हम best क्या कर सकते हैं, हमको वो करना है. ये list नहीं बनाने की, हमारे पास ये नहीं है, अब हम कैसे करेंगे? Okay? For example,
Yes,
if I'm cooking, मैं cooking का बार-बार example ले रही हूँ, because I attempted to make something today. अब उसके अंदर कोई एक आधा ingredient अगर नहीं था, और मैं छोड़ दूंगी, मैं तो बना ही नहीं सकती, ये ingredient नहीं है. So I'm not doing my best. So best means जो आपके पास है, उसके accordingly हमने best करना है. So now I'm coming back again to the words. ये जो words मैंने बोला था ना, we are going to choose. So ये चारों जो agreements हैं, इनको अगर आप अपने agreements, 4 sentences थे. How many of you noted down these sentences? Just let me know, raise your hands. Good girls. You're supposed to keep a copy and note down. Okay? So note down these 4 sentences. And they're so simple. इनको रोज आपको 1-2 बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा. पढ़ने में बहुत simple है. Use करने में उतने ही मुश्किल है. हमें गुस्सा 1 सेकंड में आता है. We don't even think. First we should hear ourselves, हम बोल क्या रहे हैं. So try to make these little amendments in yourself before we go out to amend others. हम बाकियों को ठीक करने के लिए पहले निकल पड़ते हैं. We don't do it on ourselves. आइए हमें power कहाँ से आएगी to do this? There is only one magic key.
Meditation, ma'am.
Yeah, if
The
you
only-
remember, मैंने आपको ये भी एक बारी पढ़ाई थी बुक, पता नहीं कितनों ने पढ़ी थी, The Secret.
Secret, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Secret में मैंने कहा था कि आप जो कर सकते हो, we have to ask, believe and receive. ये 3 words सीखने हैं इस बुक में से. You have to read this book only to remember 3 words. Ask, believe, receive. We are going to ask the universe. Universe has abundance for everybody. हम किसी रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं ना, वो खाना बहुत बना के रखा होता है, हम ऑर्डर करते हैं, वो कभी कभी फिर भी कह देते हैं कि नहीं ये तो खत्म हो गया, ये नहीं है अब. बट यूनिवर्स आपको जो मेन्यू कार्ड देता है, इट हैज एंडलेस थिंग्स इन इट, abundant, abundant. आप जितना भी मांग लो, the universe has that. The first step is आपने मांगना है. आपने मांगना है कि I want to be very careful with the words I use. फिर आपने believe करना है. You have to start imagining yourself कि I have learned how to use words carefully. I have learned. Now किसी को अगर आपने कहना है, किसी ने गाना गाया, हम कहते हैं melodious song. Immediately think of some other words which you can use. Enchanting. Okay? So we can think of other words also which means the same. किसी ने आपके लिए कुछ काम कर दिया, हम thank you बोल देते हैं. Instead of that, think of something more personalized. Oh, you're a lifesaver. You did this for me, you're a lifesaver. What could I do without you? How nice you'll feel. Suppose Meenakshi does something for me or Geeta does something for me. कल मैंने से एक book मांगी, इसने मुझे immediately ला के दे दी. If I just use one word, thank you. Thank you भी मैं क्यों बोलूं? It's her duty. मैंने उसको book मांगी थी, उसने ला के दे दी. She's the librarian. Why do I have to thank her? But if I just say, Geeta, you're such a lifesaver. I really wanted this book. Will I make her feel nice?
Yes, ma'am.
You will create magic.
We'll make the other person feel nice. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Start
Yes,
giving compliments to people. Start giving. मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता था compliment करना. I'm just sharing with you. It was very difficult for me to acknowledge. I was always judgmental. You know? मैं कहीं ना कहीं से कोई कमी ढूंढ ही लेती थी. अब देखो जो मैं अपनी जॉब में करती हूँ, that's different. मेरे ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कोई काम परफेक्ट करने की, तो वहां पे मेरी ड्यूटी है टू टेल यू कि ये रह गया मीनाक्षी, इसको ऐसे करो, इसको ऐसे करो. That's different. But in your personal growth, how do you grow? When you start acknowledging people. जिसने भी कुछ किया है उसने अपनी पूरी जान लगा के किया है. एक आर्ट टीचर एक कार्ड बना के लाती है, इतना उसने उसमें ड्राइंग करी है, सब कुछ किया है. मेरे पास आते ही मैं कहती हूँ what nonsense is this? How will she feel?
Dejected.
Yeah. वो
Shattered.
उसका बिल्कुल shattered. You will just smash that person. उसकी जगह अगर मैं उसको improve कराना भी चाह रही हूँ, I can put it in a different way. कि विशाली, अदिति, कोई भी, you've done a very nice job, but don't you think इसको हम थोड़ा सा अगर इसको यहाँ पे और colorful कर देंगे, because जहाँ हमने देना है, I'm sure they will like it little more glittery. That's a better way of saying the same thing. उसको फिर वापस तो जाना ही है वो ठीक करने के लिए, उसको जाना ही पड़ेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
मैं एकदम उठा के कह दूं यार this क्या बकवास वर्क है, this is what have you done, it's nonsense. So you're getting the power of words.
Yes. Yes.
It's the same power. Now suppose you come to school dressed up a little over, अगर कोई किसी ने कर भी लिया, instead of me just telling that person or any one of you telling your friend ये क्या बन के आ गई, आज कोई शादी थोड़ी है. Instead of saying that, if you just say, oh, that's a lovely sari you're wearing. But you know, if you wear it in the night time, it will look better. तो आपने indirectly उसको बता दिया है कि this is not right for the morning. You should have worn it in the evening. So that is what is being impeccable with your words. I think I've put my message across. मैं क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ?
Yes,
Always,
ma'am.
yeah,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we got it.
always try to hear yourself
Appreciate
first.
the people. Yes.
Yeah, नहीं,
Okay.
first hear yourself. आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हो,
Okay.
वो पहले खुद सुनो. फिर
Okay.
मुंह से बाहर निकालो, मतलब उसको हम रिस्पॉन्स बोलेंगे. वी आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग. When we don't hear ourselves and we just speak, it is a reaction. So we are going to shift. If you remember, मैं 2 सालों से ये बात कर रही हूँ shift की.
Yes.
Shifting from where we are to where we want to be. So we want to shift from reacting to responding. So when you will respond, उसका impact भी आएगा कुछ, उसका कोई impact भी आएगा. और जो मैंने आज 4 sentences आपको बोले हैं, make them your rules. They are your rules. Write them in your copy which you have. 4 agreements. People who can read will read this book. Where is that book? It's here. People who can read this book. It's a very tiny book. बहुत बड़ा print है. 2 घंटे की reading है ये. All right. Now,
Available on Amazon also?
Yeah, it is available on Amazon. मैंने वहीं से मंगवाई है.
Ma'am,
Okay,
there
thank
is one more book where you are and where you want to be.
Yeah.
The 4 agreements you are talking about, they are all explained in that book also.
Okay.
Taking small little examples, the way you are taking.
All right.
And it is actually saying it makes a difference if you think and if you talk first of all with yourself and then with others.
Yeah.
And the book covers making a arrow where you are right now and where you want to be. So they are
Right.
focusing on these 4 agreements only, which you have talked today.
Yeah. So this is what I was trying to say. These things many people have said. You know, इस author की interview Oprah Winfrey ने भी ली है. Many people have said it. But how much do we absorb it? तो हमें अब sponge बन जाना है. वो हम कैसे करेंगे? ये जो secret थी, ask, believe and release, ये secret की चाबी कहाँ है?
In our words, ma'am, the way, in our thinking, in our words.
Yeah, but that was always there. अभी आपको चाबी वो मिली है एक थोड़ी सी, आप उसको use कर रहे हैं.
Energy which we are gaining from the universe these days.
How do you get that energy from the universe? What are we doing? We are
Through
doing
meditation.
So now, yeah, now in your diary, you're also going to write down. I also do all that. You know, I maintain so many journals, you know. You start writing down meditation से आपको क्या-क्या benefit मिला. अपना journal खुद बनाओ. Make your own journal कि meditation करने से आपको क्या benefit हुआ है. You will realize ये जो मैंने 4 agreements बोले हैं, power of words, ये हमारे 5th chakra का काम है. When our 5th chakra is blocked, हम respond नहीं कर पाते, हम react करते हैं, अब अपने words को सुन नहीं पाते, हम क्या बोल रहे हैं किसी को. We don't realize उसका impact किसी पे क्या पड़ेगा. छोटे से बच्चे को अगर हमने कह दिया कि you cannot sing, that child will not sing ever. तो ये हमारे words का power है. Now I think I have about 10 minutes. If anyone wants to share something, seriously, I don't know unlimited Zoom कैसे लिया जाता है. If somebody knows, we can go for that. Paid तो मुझे पता है होता है. But people were telling me without paying also we can get unlimited Zoom. I don't know if we'll check with the computer teachers if it is possible. So we can have a continuous session for an hour because ऐसे ना time कम हो जाता है थोड़ा सा. Anyone wants to share today's this thing, you can randomly just raise your hand और अपना mic on करो and just speak. We have about 10 minutes. We can have about 5-6 sharing. Anybody wants to say something? Yeah, Shalu.
Ma'am, what I have followed from this Zoom meeting is before uttering anything to someone else, you need to step into that shoe. If someone else speak the same thing to you, how you would feel. So think twice before speaking something because words matter a lot.
Yeah.
And
Wonderful.
we'll try. Thanks.
हाँ, but ये तो आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा. बचपन से हम बच्चों को भी तो यही कहते रहते हैं, think before you speak. तो वो होता क्यों नहीं था?
But ma'am, actually while doing meditation, repeatedly we listen that speak less and listen more, because your energy is going, and speak less means you are saving your energy. At the same time, you are speaking less and you are thinking that before you utter anything, you are not hurting anyone. So meditation is helping us out to do all these
So
things.
yes, eventually
This is the
हर
change.
चीज का जो सीक्रेट की जो चाबी है, that is the आनापानासती. आपको कुछ नहीं करना. अगर ये सब आप सुनोगे भी नहीं ना, तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली होगा. आपकी ऑटोमेटिकली स्पीच चेंज हो जाएगी. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
ये अगर आप नहीं, ये तो मैं सिर्फ आपको बता रही हूँ द सीक्रेट्स, द थ्योरी है कि नहीं भी आप सुनोगे ना, तो भी वो होना ही होना है. आप गैस के ऊपर पानी चढ़ाओगे, वो बॉईल होना ही होना है. Whether you stand there and keep on watching it getting heated up and boiling, or you don't watch, it will still boil. अपना time आने पे वो उबलेगा ही.
Yes, ma'am, because we are getting the patience from the meditation. Lots of patience we will get, and we are getting also.
Please keep writing down what you're getting. Patience is just, maybe it's just one of the things which you don't know what all you're going to get. So please write it
Yes.
down in your diaries. जिसकी
Okay,
patience आई है, write down patience. जिसको सोचना आया है before speaking, write it down. Anyone else wants to share? अब आप काफी दिन से कर रहे हो. Any changes? Kirti or Kriti? Who's this?
Kirti.
Yeah,
It's
Babita.
me, Babita
हाँ.
Sharma.
Okay, okay,
वो
Babita.
daughter के नाम था उसमें.
Okay, हाँ बोलो जल्दी. हाँ.
I just want to say thanks for the wonderful session, ma'am. और आपने जो अभी मेडिटेशन कराया, उसमें आज मैंने वो फ्लो फील किया जो आपने चक्रास का बताया.
Okay.
उससे पहले मेरा क्या होता था, सिर्फ यहाँ मैं फील करती थी.
Okay.
लेकिन आज जब आपने कराया तो लाइक फ्रॉम अपवर्ड टू डाउनवर्ड्स एंड
तो
डाउनवर्ड
हम यही गलती करते हैं ना, जितने भी ये
Slow.
हमारे जो हिमालय योगीज हैं, दे कीप एवरीथिंग इन
Yes,
देयर
ma'am.
हेड. उससे क्या होता है, इसीलिए सबको ये मिसकंसेप्शन है कि लोग पागल हो जाते हैं. नीतू ने एक बारी में से पूछा था कि जो बहुत मेडिटेशन करते हैं पागल हो जाते हैं. वो इसलिए पागल हो जाते हैं क्योंकि वो सब कुछ यहाँ रख लेते हैं. Then they are not able to handle it. We are supposed to rotate it in our body so that हमारी सारी बॉडी की चीजें खुले और ठीक हो जाएं. तो we are distributing. Yeah.
फ्लो आई, मतलब वो मुझे आज फील हो रहा था प्रॉपर, जैसे
बिल्कुल,
आप जैसे जैसे बोल रहे थे
बिल्कुल.
वहीं उसी प्लेस पे ही फील
हाँ,
हो रहा था.
जैसे हमारे
So,
फ्रिज
thanks.
में भी जब कई बार बहुत आइस जम जाती है, तो हमारे
Yes,
उसका
ma'am.
सारा वो जम जाते. जब पुराने फ्रिज होते थे, अब तो सब ऑटो डिफ्रॉस्ट है. पहले वो सब
Defrost.
जम जाते थे तो नीचे ठंडक आती ही नहीं थी, ऊपर रह जाती थी. ठीक है ना?
Yes,
फिर हम
ma'am.
क्या करते थे, फ्रिज को बंद कर देते थे कि ये सारा मेल्ट हो जाए, एंड देन डिफ्रॉस्ट करते थे कि जी आज फ्रिज डिफ्रॉस्ट हो रहा है. रिमेम्बर चाइल्डहुड में मम्मी सारा फ्रिज
Yes,
खाली
ma'am.
करती थी
Yes,
कि आज
ma'am.
डिफ्रॉस्ट हो रहा है. तो सेम वे अगर हम सारी पावर, सारी एनर्जी सर में जमा होने देंगे, it will make us go mad. So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to make it, यही तो purpose है, it has to rotate in our body. Okay, good.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am. Thank
most
you.
welcome. Anyone else? We still have about 5 minutes. Somebody wants to share something?
Ma'am, the assumption thing is also mentioned in one more book. The example which you give, like the husband-wife equation, every time whenever he's coming from the office and we are starting blabbering the things, and then we are assuming, but they have their own nutshell, as mentioned in the book Men from Mars and Women from Venus, that we all have this different ability of getting into all situations. We can't be the same, but we want them to react in the same manner, the way we want. And because of that, a lot of miscommunication and assumptions are also there.
Yes,
But
yes.
from your first meditation session, what we have learned is try not to react as per other person's thought process. It's their situation.
Right.
Whatever
right.
we can do is to do with ourselves and not with others thinking and thought.
This I always tell you. मैं चाहे उसको crudely बोलती हूँ कि selfish हो जाओ. हम अपनी journey पे हैं. हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है बाकी लोग क्या करें क्या नहीं करें. That's their life. It's वो भी जीने आए हैं भाई. Let them live their life the way they want to. तो we are on our own journey. हम यहाँ पे किसी और को ठीक करने नहीं आए हुए हैं. Please, हमें किसी ने ड्यूटी नहीं दी है. Unless you're getting paid for it. I get paid for it. इसलिए मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत देखना पड़ता है what everybody is doing. So when you're not getting paid for it, why are you unnecessarily interfering in other people's life? Okay? So हमें अपनी जर्नी देखनी है. अब ये सेशन हो जाएगा खत्म बहुत जल्दी in 2 minutes. 2 minutes हैं, किसी को बोलना है जल्दी से तो बोलो. Are you all up for one group meditation tomorrow? We can do that tomorrow in the evening. अगर busy हो होली वोली में तो it's okay.
नहीं
आज
मैम,
थोड़ी-
we will do.
Ma'am, we will do.
I will
मैम
make
we can,
ma'am, we
yes,
can do.
yes.
तो कल एक
Yes,
group
miss,
सिर्फ half an hour की
definitely, ma'am.
group meditation करेंगे,
Yes,
discussion नहीं
yes,
करेंगे.
Yes,
So
miss.
tomorrow
Okay.
evening I will
Yes.
see. ठीक है?
Ma'am, please 40
Okay.
minutes. Please 40 minutes, ma'am.
अब वो भाई जूम का फ्री में जितना सेशन जाता है मैं तो उतना ही कर पाऊंगी, वो फिर अपने आप कट ऑफ हो जाता है, ये प्रॉब्लम है ना इसमें. सो अभी भी जैसे कट ऑफ हो ही जाएगा बहुत जल्दी. आई डोंट नो, आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर हाउ आई कैन टेक अनलिमिटेड.
मैम
All
40
right.
minutes का हो जाएगा.
चलो विल ट्राई दैट एंड देखते हैं. आज स्क्रीन शेयरिंग में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आई थी थोड़ा म्यूजिक में स्टार्टिंग में. उषा क्या हो गया था? Anyway,
I am I'm
no,
sorry.
no problem. No, please don't say sorry. You did your best. आज हमने fourth, now see why I brought this point up also. You don't have to feel guilty कि कोई गलती हो गई, क्या हो गया. You did your best. तुमने जानबूझ के नहीं किया था कि खराब हो जाए. You were doing your best. You were trying your best. वो ही करना है हमको. हमें रिजल्ट की वेट नहीं करनी कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं. We did our best.
मैम जैसे
हाँ.
आप कह रहे थे म्यूजिक आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा,
हमें म्यूजिक नहीं चाहिए. हमें म्यूजिक
हुआ कि म्यूजिक का हमने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. मेडिटेशन हाँ
हाँ, म्यूजिक का ध्यान देना भी नहीं होता है. एक्चुअल मेडिटेशन
ma'am.
तो तब होगी जब आप उस पॉइंट पे पहुंच जाओगे when it will not, कि जब आप बिना किसी साउंड से, that is being with yourself. अभी तो आपको फिर भी बहाना चाहिए to be with yourself. आप अपने दिमाग को कोई काम दे रहे हो कि चलो तुम म्यूजिक सुनो, I am being with myself. So one
Yes,
day your
yes.
mind will not need that distraction. Okay, so we are distracting our mind. उसको बनाना दे रहे हैं हम, अपने जो बंदर कूद रहे हैं हमारे in our head, we are giving them bananas. कि भैया तुम इस केले खाओ जब तक हम अपनी सांस को देख रहे हैं. So one day we will be able to do that without giving any bananas to the monkeys in our head. Okay, so don't worry. Kabhi you were doing your best. So just clap your. Let's all clap for each one of us. अपने लिए तालियां बजाएंगे. We did our best. We were trying our best. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow and very happy Holi to everybody.
Thank you, ma'am. Same to you.
Ma'am,
Same
same to you.
Enjoy your
Same.
day and yeah.
Meditation, ma'am.
So, and for the
Thank you
group
for the
meditation, if you want to add up your friends or someone, if they really want to add, you can please send the numbers. The more the merrier, you know, जितने ज़्यादा group में होंगे, वो group की energy होती है which comes to us, you know. So we feel
ma'am.
that actually we are being together, तो इसकी feeling अलग होती है. Okay, bye bye then.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Bye. Have a nice day, ma'am.
We meet tomorrow. Okay, love you all.
Sure,
of you.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye
Bye, ma'am.
bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.